How can you use administrative data for demographic analysis? Imagine having a tool that can give you a detailed picture of the population without knocking on every door or sending out surveys. That's where administrative data comes into play. It is information collected by government agencies and organizations during their routine work. Think of it as a behind-the-scenes record of how people interact with services like Social Security, Medicare, or tax offices. These records include details about age, income, health coverage, and other social factors. Using this data for demographic analysis involves a few key steps. First, researchers link these records with traditional sources like the census or surveys. This process helps fill in gaps where survey responses might be missing or incomplete. For example, if someone didn't answer a survey question about income, their Social Security or tax records can provide that missing piece. This makes the overall data more accurate and complete. Second, administrative data helps save money and time. Instead of creating new surveys or conducting extensive interviews, agencies reuse existing records. This reduces the need to ask people questions again and again, which also lessens the burden on respondents. It's a smart way to gather reliable information without extra effort. Third, these data sources help keep population counts up to date. They are used to update address lists and population registers, which are essential for accurate counting in the decennial census and ongoing surveys like the American Community Survey. This ensures that government resources and political representation are based on the most current information. Another important use is in planning and evaluating programs. For example, combining Social Security data with census information can help estimate future benefit needs. Medicare and Internal Revenue Service data can show healthcare requirements for children and families. This helps policymakers make informed decisions about where to allocate resources. As fewer people respond to surveys, administrative data becomes even more valuable. It provides an alternative way to keep demographic statistics reliable. But it's also important to handle this data carefully. Privacy and bias concerns need to be addressed to protect individual information and ensure the data is fair. In the United States, administrative data supports accurate population counts used for congressional apportionment and resource distribution. It helps local governments plan better and makes policy decisions more precise. By combining these records with traditional data sources, researchers can get a clearer, more timely picture of the population. This approach makes demographic analysis more efficient, cost-effective, and detailed.